At last, it is possible now to change your phone number. Pity that it is not indicated anywhere as of the well-known line of the non-existent information policy of the core team. But as I read in many places that people do have problems with switching SIM cards and not able to update the new number in the Pi application, that seems to be the solution. I want to stress it is a new useful feature and it should work for some persons. So we go from the menu to the Profile tab. For a not verified phone, that is what you see. If you did it, there is quite new button of Update Number, which was just verified. You go to the Change Number tab. Note that of course the new number has to be verified, so you will need to send new SMS. If you still want to change it, choose your country and insert your new number. I would like to recall you also that the phone number verification is quite important, as without it your units are not definite, or in other words they are suspended. Check also other video how to verify your phone number. I would like to recommend you the film you see in YouTube version. If you watch it elsewhere, go to this address j.mp/cryptocurrency pi in capital letters, and search the playlist.